Alright, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes time and you're doing grains, when you're going to jar it up, I have a suggestion. Put you just a little bit of vermiculite in the jar. Just like that. Enough to cover the bottom. You can thank me later. What that's going to do is, if you have any excess moisture in your grain, that vermiculite right there is going to suck it out. But what's really nice about it being in the jar is that even though it keeps your grain in good shape, it still keeps the moisture readily available in the jar for your grains for when the mycelium starts to colonize your grain. It's a great little tip I learned a couple years ago, and there's no way I would do without it. Hope this helps. Until the next time, happy cultivation.